case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Maryland Court of Appeals was recently tasked with conveying a critical verdict within a confounding, drawn-out juvenile delinquency case starring the defendant, Thomas J. The case gravitated around an alleged infringement on Thomas J.'s right to a speedy trial under the 14th Amendment and Article 21 of the Maryland Declaration of Rights, the former guaranteeing due process of law. Interestingly, the courts applied the Barker test, which primarily evaluates the length of delay, reasons for it, assertion of the right, and prejudice to the accused from the delay to the issue at hand. Originally, the trial dragged on painfully for over 3 years due to repeated delays serving summonses to Thomas J. and his mother. Allegedly, Thomas J.'s mother's failure to update their address with the court significantly contributed to the delay, according to the state. In response to this worrying snarl of proceedings, Thomas J. filed for dismissal on account of the denial of a speedy trial. This plea was initially denied, prompting further scrutiny and leading to the ultimate appeal to higher jurisdiction. Despite the state's defense arguing that the constitutional amendments did not extend to juvenile proceedings, the Court of Appeals saw otherwise. The court identified the delay as a breach of both due process and the defendant's right to a speedy trial, attributing the violation to the state's lax attempts at locating the accused party. Consequently, the court overturned the previous denial of dismissal made by the lower court and ruled instead in favor of Thomas J., highlighting the youthful defendant's vulnerability and their increased propensity for psychological harm in prolonged pretrial periods. The state was obliged to meet the expenses of the losing party and was instructed to make a more concerted effort to expediently locate alleged delinquents in the future. The resolution of this protracted case serves as a powerful reminder for the weighty role that due process plays, particularly within juvenile proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.